finally doing another review. Had some stuff going on, but either way, let's get back into it. Opening something that's straight out of my childhood, the Hammond Collection Tyrannosaurus Rex. So one thing I love about the Hammond Collection so far is the packaging. I think it looks really slick with that black. You get like the matte black, and then the skeleton is there with that gloss look. I think all of the Hammond Collection so far has looked great. I wish it was back in the 6-inch scale like the Amber Collection was, but is what it is. If this is the only way I'm going to get super articulated dinosaurs, I guess I'm just going to have to live with it. Like I said, packaging on this is really good. Out of the box, this is what you get. That's all that's included here is just the T-Rex and its tail. That's all that's in there. Not really sure what else they could have included, if anything. So looking at it, I mean, the paint detail on this is absolutely amazing. It's not 100% perfect, but it's a very close Rexy. Going back and looking at the original movie. Fantastic looking. You got all kinds of teeth there. No real complaints as far as look at it. The eyes look good. The paint and stuff looks good. Articulation is really cool as well. Here you can see it scaled with the Hammond Collection Velociraptor. So things fit in well. Great figure to look at. It's still fairly big. This is with the Amber Collection, so it still works with 6-inch stuff, but it's just kind of scaled differently. Like I said, paint on this thing is absolutely fantastic. They've got the stripes all the way down to the tip of the tail. Fantastic looking figure. Of course, several different pieces of articulation here. There's hinges on the jaw. It's got these little like gummy, flabby things in there for the, I don't know what the technical term for that piece is. Articulated tongue. The feel of this is really nice, like a nice rubbery kind of plastic. So it feels really cool, kind of like you're holding a little, actual T-Rex. The way everything's articulated here, everything's pretty much on ball joints. Some hinges in the arm, so you can move that arm into several different positions. Fairly accurate. I don't think it's anything too different from what you would expect on that. Multiple ball joints here on these different pieces that all connect. All in all, I think the articulation's fairly the best it could be for the T-Rex. It's got the pinless here on the knees, double jointed knees on this, and they're of course pinless, so no, you don't see any pins or anything holding in there. The end of the tail is bendy, so you can kind of move that around as you will without having to see any articulation points, so that's cool. Hopefully it's something that holds up over different poses and stuff like that, and you don't really see any cracking or anything. Nothing else really to cover on that. There's a hinge here, so you get some different leg poses and stuff like that. Like I said, really pleased with the articulation on this guy. I don't know of anything they could have done differently. It's a little hard to zoom in on. He's such a big thing for the set we got here, but I think it looks absolutely fantastic. You can see a little bit more detail here looking at the face, the eyes and stuff, and I think it's a great grab of Rexy. I think it looks a lot like it did in the movie, kind of like I think the actual image is back there, and there's like a layer of like, I guess, resin or plastic or however they filled that on the eye. I wish it was movable. That'd be the only thing I would like to add, is if it was like a movable eye, but that'd probably be way more expensive. Here it is with a 6-inch scale Captain America. It gets pretty tall, and with the posability on this, you can have him sit in a number of different ways. So if you didn't already pick one of these up, you should be able to find it in stores. MSRP on these is about $49.99. We're getting to the point now you may start seeing them on clearance as Target does resets and stuff like that, or if the random coupons might be able to get it cheaper. As far as the figure itself, I would give the score, and part of this might be my sentimental bias, but I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. Fantastic figure. It looks amazing. Rexy is a phenomenal character. He's a big part of my childhood, as I'm sure is a lot of yours. So if you don't have it already, highly recommend picking up. It's a fantastic looking figure. Nothing else I can really say about it. It's great. Looks good. The Hammond Collection is kind of the only thing I collect in this scale, so I'm looking forward to seeing how the rest of it goes and what else we get, and hopefully it continues on for a while so they can get a number of characters. Well, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.